Okay, so today I am going to show you how to clean your bum when there is no toilet paper around. And nope, don't worry, there's a better way, okay? And it's gonna be really easy, cost effective, and it's cleaner too, to be honest. Cleaner than these, that's for sure. And simple as these things you see right here. Okay? Now, this you don't really need, but this is for the people who really worry. You would just need water. And I put about, this is my squeeze bottle. Okay? And the trick to this, you get your tippy top right here. Okay, this little thing. Okay, you unscrew that, and fortunately, it fits exactly on top of the Coca-Cola bottle. How awesome is that? And all you have to do is put about a half of a tablespoon, or even a quarter, depends. And you open this, you put them in the water and put warm water, okay? Then, you see that? You put that in, you squirt down a little bit and squeeze. And here's the thing. Because the bottle is so easy to squeeze, that's why Coca-Cola bottle, thank you Coca-Cola bottle for this. You can squeeze it really nice. I'm telling you, I have never seen any bottle that squeeze really nice on that. Another bottle that squeeze really nice is this bottle right here. But sometimes I find it gets squished in a little bit. You can also use the original container if you have it too. So it's varied. But because of this, it's a flip top. And it's easy to do in and out. And you can put this in your tub, your bathtub, okay? And then you just move your butt over there and squeeze it. Okay? Now that's number one. That's your personal bidet. Okay? If you ever never heard of that term, I think someday in the US we're gonna go to the bidet stage. It happens, it's a lot in foreign countries, but the US, we're just spoiled now. We're probably going to go into that stage pretty soon. And you can get the 2-liter bottle if you want, but every time you need it though, okay, you would want to fill it with warm water. Okay, that way it'll be a little bit better on your booty. And you can use hand soap. I like hand soap better. My grandmother have been using this during like the olden days, she said. And she just used soap. So I made some soap for her, and that's why it's a little green here. If you have glycerine, you can put it in there, okay? But I have a different solution right over there. I'm going to show you option number 2. After you wash with that, okay? Now, you're going to get a container. You're going to need a little container. And you're going to need my DIY paper, toilet paper, which is from t-shirts. I'll link it right up here for you. Drop it in there. Okay. Now I have warm water right here. You add a little glycerine in there. Add about 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide in there. Not too much, okay? Just a little bit. It's more than enough. Okay? And that's all you really need. The glycerine is where it's gonna make your bum a little, you know, a little bit better. And you just mix it. And remember, it's got to be warm, okay? Because we want this to melt it in, you know. Because the water has to be warm in order for that to work. And you just dump it in there. And if you have to, like let's say you have 4 pieces here, and if it's not warm, you can actually put it on microwave for a few seconds, and you just dedicate that to that. Okay, so you go to the microwave. If it's cold, go to the microwave and get that up. Now here's the thing: when you go and do your business, after you wash it, not after, before you do that, what you do is you get one of them, squeeze a little out, because you want it to be wet. And that is your washing afterward. Okay? And that's all you really need. So literally, stage 1, we use the Coca-Cola squeezy bidet. Your own bidet. And after that, you would go into here. But here's the thing. I use a microwave container. And I have my solution in there. But before you go and do your business, you need to get warm. It has to be warm, okay? So that way it'll be nice on your bum bum. And then you would take one out. But squeeze some of the water out. And then you leave this on top. Once you do your first stage, once you're done with your first stage, just try to clean as much as you could out, because, you know, it's pretty cheap to make these. Then you use this. That's your final, and that's how you wash your bum with it. Okay, and that's your final. Okay? And all you have to do is take this afterward and throw it in the trash. Do not throw this in your toilet, okay? Because you're going to clog that thing up. So make sure to remember that, because we're not doing normal things anymore. After this, we're not doing normal things anymore. So that's as easy as that. All you need for this potion here, all you need is about 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon, depending on how you like it. I would say for hydrogen peroxide, 1 teaspoon would be good enough for like every 16 ounces, you know. And then put some cloth in there. Okay, so now my next time, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to the microwave, put it in for 30 seconds to get my hot. And then I'm going to squeeze it around a little bit so it'll be a little bit warm. Take it out and take the one out. That way you will save these, okay? Because if you look at the video up here, I will link it up here. I made a bunch of them. Okay? This is from one unwanted t-shirt. You can do that with paper towel too. So all you need is either 1 or 2, whatever. You can do ahead of time, but it'll be cold. So you don't want to be cold. You want warm water. So it'll be a little nicer on your bum bum. And then you can make different size. This is 1 quart. Either one is fine. This one here, I just crunch it over a little bit and I squeeze it. Yes, I test both of them out. I actually like this one better. And if you have a tub, it's actually even better. You can sit on a tub and try to aim it. Okay? And no, don't be embarrassed or anything like that. There's no point of being embarrassed. Would you rather be embarrassed or clean? Well, I'm going to choose clean. I'm going to squeeze out my bum. Or, I'm going to squeeze out my bum bum. Haha. Anyway, I just want to make a joke there so people won't feel like they're left out or anything, you know. Because this time, I'm not embarrassed. I don't know about you, but I am not. So, that's all you really needed. See? Easy as that. That's all you really need. Just some soap. Regular soap. If you still have, liquid soap, okay? Don't put bar soap. People scrape it, bar soap, and no bar soap, okay? That's all I'm going to tell you. And if you want, put a little bit of hydrogen peroxide in there. You can do that too. Other than that, that's about it on this video here. And I hope that you would just take this into consideration when that time comes. And you can save a lot of toilet paper. And you can use paper towel too. Just cut the paper towel in half and you can do something like this right here, like baby wipes, you know? And that's sort of like that. That's our baby wipe right there. And that's our cleaner. So, but like I stated, this works really nice for me. The 1 quart, the 1.25 liter bottles. It works really nice. I like it. But if you have the 2 liter, try it out. See which one you like. You know what I mean? And then after that, when you're all done, just dump it out. Make a new one. When you just put the soap in and then put warm water in and you're all set. If you don't have warm water during that time, you can just use cold water. I also have a version of this with vinegar too. And I've seen people doing with vinegar. And I wash my eyes, everything with that. But I was thinking to make a lighter version for this. But maybe I'll make another video on that. But other than that, that's about it on the video. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you take it into consideration. During this time, you should not be embarrassed. You should not be anything, okay? Love who you are. That's all I have to say. Other than that, that's about it on this video. And I will see you in the next video, okay?